See, I can be angry and still not mistreat you. I'm in the process right now of teaching my daughter this because she got her daddy personality. Unfortunately for me, she get hot and her face start telling the story and she be walking around there. Oh, no. We don't growl here. Only dogs growl, not people. No. So she'll come in with her face and her lip about near on the floor and stand. Come here. So first of all, put your lip back in your mouth and let's talk. What's wrong? No whining. No, stop. Use your words. Because see, I'm not mad at her for being angry. I validate her feelings. Okay, you're angry. What are you angry about? But I need you to express your anger the right way. Because if you don't learn this now, it'll mess you up later. And people have lost out on great relationships because they didn't know how to express their anger properly. People have gone to jail because they didn't know how to express their anger properly. People have committed murder and a number of other things because they don't know how to express their anger properly. Be angry. Don't sin. Be angry, but look for a conversation so that people can better understand why you're angry. And let's figure out how we can get to a place of reconciliation so that I no longer have to be angry.